Welcome to episode 4 of Brooke's Garden House. RTB in the house. We are digging the sills for the joists, and we're making sure everything is level. We are on our way.
All right, we have the forms made for the rest of the concrete, and we also know where the top of the concrete is going to be now, so we can dig out some of the dirt to get ready to receive the sand and the brick that's going to be on the inside for the floor. So things are progressing here.
Another day, another delivery. RTB gave us a list of a few additional items that we needed. Concrete and pressure treated wood among two of the things. Luckily for us, the day worked out fine and it was sunny and we were able to have the materials dropped off at the site. You can always bank on at least a couple extra deliveries when you're working on a big project from the home center, because one is never enough. RTB just wanted to check his work, so he brought in his friend Woody with a transit to double check and do all of his leveling, because his 4-foot level only goes so far. So we needed a transit to make sure everything was level and on par. Of course, I wanted to double check it myself, even though I had no idea what I was looking at. We have RTB here. We are going to pour the footings of the garden house, and we can't wait. And then we're going to start framing in. So, right?
Yes.
Okay, here we are.
Brooke, we are going to start mixing to pour the footings.
Now that we've made sure that the footings are level, we are ready to accept concrete. And of course, I want to put in plumbing and electricity, so we added some PVC pipe under the footings to accept it.
Yeah, you can.
All right, so we're finding out the center of the inside of the beams here. So the door is going to go right here. So we're just marking out the center right now, and it's 153 inches and 3/4. So then we're going to divide that in half and get the center, which is about 76 inches and 7/8. And there we go.
Like the rafters want to line up with these studs, even if there isn't any.
Sure.
But if there is, they'll line up. Yeah.
All right. I was able to sneak away for a quick golf tournament yesterday, but paying the price today. Can't find the push cart again, and now we got some windows going up. But we're getting this much closer to back to getting the golf.
Yeah. 8 inches on the bottom and 8 inches on the top. You okay?
Right.
She's okay.
Good, Brooke?
Yes.
What are we at right here?
5.5. Yeah, right there. That's 8.5.
That's where it would be.
I like it.
Okay. That's that.
I am so happy that the windows are finally going in. I'm just beside myself. For those of you that don't know, these windows came from Sean's uncle's old warehouse. So they're all recycled, and it's just so great that they get to stay in the family, so to speak. We have had a productive weekend here at the garden house, and I am so excited. I can't even see straight. We are halfway done. We have in 8 windows. We have 8 more to go. We got all of the footings poured. Everything is level, but we do have to dig down just a little bit more. But I am just thrilled. I can't even see straight. Here we have some braces up on the windows. We're not quite sure what day this week that RTB will be back, so we just want to make sure that the windows stay in place and they don't shift with the weather.
the big strange thing is they got 5 guys.
Yeah. It's funny, right?
Yeah, little girl.
Oh, she's on the wall. What the?
How are we gonna get her now?
She's on the wall, bro. Yeah.
Meanwhile, this one's just going to keep a watchful eye. She's very curious. She'll make sure everything just stays in shape.
This is episode 4 of Brooke's Garden House. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below so you don't miss a single episode and so you'll stay tuned. And every Monday I will update. So every week we end up doing more and more progress, and I'm excited. It's happening. We're cooking with gas.